Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sunway Putra Hotel, Kuala Lumpur. It's a 5-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking, family rooms, very good fitness center and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Sunway Putra Hotel, Kuala Lumpur. Sunway Putra Hotel Kuala Lumpur is located opposite the World Trade Center Kuala Lumpur, formerly known as PWTC, nestled within Kuala Lumpur's Diamond Triangle, one of Kuala Lumpur's most eclectic districts known for vibrant streets lined with local and trendy cafes and bars, bustling markets and landmarks, a melting pot of Asian cultures and traditions, all within the city's main commercial district. Friendly hotel staff are fluent in English, Chinese and Bahasa Malaysia and provide excellent recommendations on local experiences and popular must-visit sites in the city. Strategically located at the confluence of several expressways and the hotel is directly connected to the PWTC light rail transit station, guests have unrivaled accessibility and connectivity to other hotspots such as KL Sentral, Publika, Mont Kiara and Bangsar. Just less than 1.9 miles from the hotel is the Kuala Lumpur City Centre, KLCC, where the iconic Petronas Twin Towers dominate the skyline. The KLCC and Bukit Bintang enclaves also enthrall visitors with a wide and eclectic range of shopping, dining and entertainment options. The hotel is just a 45-minute drive from the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.